How to cook easy creamy chicken fillet with spinach and mushroom. First things first, we season our chicken fillet with salt, both sides, and then season with pepper, both sides. Next, we heat oil in a pan and then we fry the chicken fillets. And then we flip to cook the other side. And once done, we set them aside. Next, in the same pan, we cook the mushrooms. And then we add the spinach. We cover and cook for some minutes. Next, we add 1 cup of cooking cream. And then around 4 tablespoons of sour cream. We give it a little mix. And then we add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We put some garlic powder and some onion powder. We give it a little mix. And then we add some salt and pepper. Next, we add back the chicken. Cook it for some minutes. And we're done. Thank you for watching.